Saudi Arabia, you feel that it is very hot, scorching heat over there
is known by very hottest country.
early morning.
Right,
So,
right. But
so
yeah, in the
yeah. So, which is the most delicious cuisine in khobuz or chapati like that?
yes, yes. And but kabus is similar to chapati, but
I am not conscious about your changes, right? Because I never watch any videos from your YouTube channel, so I cannot compare. Maybe there have stark difference between today's conversation and which is you have made already 4 months and 6 months before. So, did you get any improvement from this YouTube channel? You
of course, when I started my journey, so I didn't know anything.
nice to meet you, sir. Very good afternoon.
Yeah, very nice to meet you. I'm really glad to meet you. A very good afternoon. How are you doing, well?
I'm doing fantastic, and everything is fine here. Actually, I'm also super excited to be here in front of you, sir.
Well, thank you.
So, what do you
Mm.
do?
Well, I do work. Presently, I am in Saudi Arabia. I work here.
Currently, you are living in Saudi Arabia. So, how long have you been working in Saudi Arabia?
It's been only 2 years here.
So this is your first country, or before you went to somewhere?
No, no, no. It's really terrible for me. This is my first country.
So, we can start from where we have left.
Huh? As you wish. The
Okay,
ball
okay.
is in your court.
Apologies for that being inconvenience because sometimes load shedding is daily problem in our local area, no? Because now it's time to raining. That's the reason sometimes we are facing a lot of difficulties with the load shedding, no? But you are living a luxurious life in Saudi Arabia, I would say, because your accommodation is very tidy. Sometimes you are meeting with the other people, right? Skype is bad from the people and from the friends. Now it's very inconvenience to connect with the people on the Skype. So, are you facing any difficulties with the Zoom application?
With the Zoom application,
Yeah,
I'm not facing any kind of problems.
but yeah,
But
okay,
yes,
great.
when I heard, yeah, the Skype has been soon retired. So that moment I was thinking, oh, now what? What are we gonna do?
Okay.
But suddenly I got to know, yeah, is there other application also we can use? But yes, ample of people they are not aware of Zoom.
All right. So you have already spent a good amount of time from your life in Saudi Arabia. Which is the language are you using while you speaking in Saudi Arabia people and Arabic people? So at that moment, are you speaking with them in English or any other language you are using?
When I decided to move yeah, this is my first country, and definitely I don't want to switch other country. When I was in India, that moment when I decided to move other country, it was a very horrified and terrible moment for me.
Hmm.
Okay, but due to circumstances, I had to decide to move other country. Now I am here, and yeah, when it comes to speaking language, which language I use, so here, like I live with some colleague who belong to India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. They know very well our mother tongue.
Hmm.
So whenever I meet with them, whenever I connect with them, so always we prefer to have a conversation with our native language. Okay, so because of they are not interested to speak with me in English, yeah, but sometimes I get opportunity to speak with my seniors
Hmm.
where I have communicate in English, but it's really once in a blue moon I get a time to connect with him.
Okay. By the long work hours in a day, especially you are always occupied with your work. And you are telling that you don't have any circumstances, you don't have any environment. I think that their mother tongue is Arabic, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So
correct.
all the
Actually,
Arabian people, they don't understand how to speak in English. So at that moment, if you need to say something to them, so are you using in Arabic language? Are you quite fluent with this language in Arabic?
actually, I'm not quite familiar this language, but
Hmm.
yeah, I got to know some words, some sentences, and I can read Arabic, but
Hmm.
unfortunately, I cannot speak Arabic.
Okay. So do you have any inquiries so far? You can shoot out. Already I have asked you in several questions now.
Okay. So first, I want to know about yourself. where you come from, and what is your qualification background.
Okay.
Let's be brief introduction, please.
Okay, I would like just to tell something about myself in very brief mode. So my name is Jafar, as you know that, which is reflecting on your screen. And basically, I'm from West Bengal in Kolkata, and I was born and brought up here. And if I will tell you what I'm doing for my living, so by profession, I'm a driver. And in terms of my education, so I have just completed my 10th class standard, and after that I quit everything related to my studies. And you can consider me that I'm a part-time YouTuber too, so I have my own YouTube channel which is based on conversation video. So if I will get any leisure time, so definitely I make some conversation video, and I just want to represent it on my channel. Maybe some learner, they are watching my videos and they can learn something from myself. Yeah, that's it, all about me.
Okay, but what about your hobbies? Okay, can you say about your hobbies? What in your spare time, what usually you want to
Uh,
do?
Actually, I don't have any spare time. So if I will get any leisure time, so I would like to listen to the song. I most of the time I would like to devote my time to listen to the song. So it's my hobbies, and you know that I'm living in a rural area. It's totally pure village, no. So sometime evening, if I will get any time, so I just want to go outside and binge watch TV series like that. So it's my hobbies actually.
Okay, that's really
Yeah.
love to know. And what about your working balance? Like your balance, how do you manage your life? You because driving, I can say, it like we don't have time. We need to effort. We need to
Hmm.
get very rarely time to do something myself. So at
Yeah.
what time do you do your work?
Yeah, well, I'm not following in a time schedule because sometime I need to take off from my home at night, and I need to drive whole night. And if I want to come back my home, so 10 o'clock and morning 7 o'clock like that. After I reach my home, so I need to take a single nap, or if I think that yes, I'm feeling drowsy, so I need to sound sleep. So especially I'm not following any time schedule, but sometime I just want to postpone my day because today I don't want to do anything. So that's why I'm getting some time. So yes, being a YouTuber, sometime you need to edit your videos and you need to make thumbnails, description like that.
Okay. And as you said that you are a driver, so I guess many of states you have traveled, right?
Yeah, yes, yes, of
So
course.
could you say which state do you like most, and that you want
Actually,
to
in
to
our
go again and
uh,
again?
yes, yes, in our country, there are multiple states, and they have their regional dialect, and they have their especially cuisine. And particularly, if I will tell you what is the beautiful place, I have seen already Uttarakhand and Nainital, Haldwani. So this is the peninsular area, no. So I just want to love to explore myself with the mountain area. So I like most personally this especially secluded area, not crowded. So I like most Uttarakhand. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Hmm. And what about your improving in communication? How do you improve? Like daily basis routine, what do you have? What do you follow activities for your improving communication, English, like that?
As I said that before, I used to watch some kinds of videos, some English content videos, right? So this is very helpful for me if I need to wait some time. So I need to watch some kinds of videos. And really, to be honest, I sometimes I'm getting some foreign passenger as well. They are from European countries, and sometimes I need to pick up some passenger from the airport. So then definitely entire my journey, I would like to talk with them. No, some people are very loquacious. If I will think that this person is very amicable person, and maybe they are very friendly. Yeah, European, all the people are very hospitable. No, so I need to talk with them. So that's how I'm improving myself. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. You
Yeah.
have a European culture where you can communicate. So do you face any difficulties when you connect, when you talk with European?
Yeah, many time nowadays I am also difficult facing plenty of difficulties with their accent and pronunciation like that. And the young people, they tend to use their mother tongue, such advanced level English. Especially I'm talking about the European countries people know. So now English has improved, no? Daily basis they are improving and they are using some advanced level vocabularies and idioms and phrases like that. So yes, I don't feel shy anytime. If I get any certain topic or any certain word, any sophisticated word, so I feel free to them and then stop to them, no? That could you elaborate those things, please? What is the meaning? And it will fix my massive memory. And this is my strength, no? So I just denote somewhere and try to mark up with those sentences and with those words. So how I can improve myself? And sometime their pronunciation and their accent is very different. No, so I try to imitate their accent like that. Yeah, that's if I will
Oh,
take one example. So you came today. Just we if you will say, but they are telling that you came to die. That's the difference. No, yeah,
yeah, correct. Imitation is the good way where we
yeah,
can improve our communication as soon as possible.
yeah.
Definitely. Sure. Okay, now and then you can you can start with your question.
Okay, so I believe that Saudi Arabia, you feel that it is very hot, scorching heat over there now.
So Saudi Arabia, is known by very hottest country.
Okay.
So, every time we need comfort zone every time
Hmm.
because in summer season we cannot go outside in afternoon.
Okay.
Probably most people of Saudi Arabia and also we also we need to like we prefer to go in the very early morning and evening time.
Okay. So
But
if you
if I
want to
talk about
purchase anything from the
afternoon,
shopping mall, or if you want to go somewhere, so definitely you prefer to go in the evening or in the
early
morning, right?
morning.
Yes, early morning.
Right,
So,
right. But
so
yeah, in the
yeah.
if afternoon it's really scorching day. We
Mm-hmm.
can't afford and we can't tolerate the sun. It's really very scorching,
Okay.
and
So who
yeah,
provide your accommodation and foods? Your company?
of course,
Yeah.
I'm really lucky. My company, I was given accommodation by my
Yeah.
company
Yeah.
and transportation as well.
Okay. Okay. So you don't have any extra money. You don't need to pay for them in a single amount from your pocket, right? Everything you are getting from your company.
Yeah, just we
Okay,
need to pay only for my food.
okay,
I have to make food by myself.
hmm,
So I'm
okay,
bearing my food.
okay, okay. So yeah, so which is the most delicious cuisine in khobuz or chapati like that?
Yes, yes. And but Kabus is similar to chapati, but
Yeah.
I yes, it's a chapati is chapati. So
Ah.
everyone likes and some of doesn't like. But
Mm-hmm.
the delicious food it's called kapsa and
Mm-hmm.
palm. These
Okay.
are food name. These are very delicious. It's a finger licking food.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, whenever I try to have something, so I prefer to have farm and kapsa. It is very delicious food.
Okay.
It's made by rice.
Okay. Okay. All right. So from the looks of it, and I personally seems that your English is really commendable and you have already improved a lot. So initial day when you have started your journey, so at that moment I am not conscious about your changes, right? Because I never watch any videos from your YouTube channel, so I cannot compare. Maybe there have stark difference between today's conversation and which is you have made already 4 months and 6 months before. So did you get any improvement from this YouTube channel? You have already created your YouTube channel.
Mm, Actually, you see, I of course when I started my journey, so I didn't know anything.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and I used to stuck while speaking, and I didn't have much vocabulary. I used to
Hmm.
lack
Hmm.
of
Hmm. Hmm.
knowledge. I had a lack of knowledge. So but I was not thinking. I didn't used to think about my English. I
Okay.
have decided myself. It's this journey is like this journey. I have to continue.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
and sooner or later, definitely, I can be perfect.
Okay.
So
Okay.
these type of thinking, I continue myself, and now I sometimes like I have uploaded on my channel many of videos. So sometimes I watch when I my previous video. So I notice, yes, literally
Hmm.
I am progressing myself.
Okay.
Now what I was previously, and now what I am. So yes, I am happy with that.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. It is not a easy task or easy process to enhance your communication skills. It will definitely take a time. So it will be not possible overnight, right? So
Right.
we have to just wait to see the dividends. And people, they don't have patience, I would say, because
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
They do.
we
They
yeah.
want, they want as soon as possible. But
No,
we
no, no.
need to
Yeah,
we
they
need to
just want to compare
we
the
need to
other YouTuber. They have already started their
correct,
journey 6 years ago, 7 years ago. They have been practicing since a long time, no? But you are practicing only 3 months. So why you are comparing with yourself to the other people, no? So you
That's
are, yeah. So you have to sufficient of yourself, no?
right,
Yeah.
right, right. Yes,
Oh,
we had a very productive conversation. I'm really glad to meet you.
it's my
And
privilege. It was my
soon,
privilege that I have also connected with you. So I'm super excited and I'm super happy. So yeah, next time we'll meet again very soon. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.